I'm Borden with MiningIR Media, and today I'm sitting down with Clive Massey, CEO and Director of Southern Lithium Corp. Clive, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me here today, Tia. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Clive, could you tell us a little bit about Southern Lithium and what exchange you're trading on?
Well, Southern Lithium is a publicly traded company. We trade on both the Frankfurt Exchange and also the TSX Venture Exchange. The company's focusing exclusively on our Cruz project, which is in southern Argentina, in the Lithium Triangle, more specifically in the Positos Basin. There are a number of things which geologically make this project very interesting. It is immediately south of Addy Resources. Addy Resources is a private Australian firm which has recently executed a pre-feasibility study on their project, which entails very attractive economics. The project has a net present value of $1.4 billion, and it's currently in pilot production. So we see, as a result of our proximity to that project, us being able to generate very similar results for 2017. We're currently executing drilling, as I previously mentioned, and based on the results of that drilling campaign, we'll determine where we go next in terms of exploration.
There are a number of other companies that are currently working on exploration projects as well. What differentiates your company?
Well, Tia, I'm glad you asked that. Aside from the fact that we're immediately south of Addy Resources, who has a pre-feas and very attractive economics, our project has excellent infrastructure. It's bisected by a rail line, bisected by a hydroelectric line, and there are also secondary country roads which join up with major highways which lead to the deepwater port of Antofagasta. If we were to put this project into production, it's very, very attractively positioned geographically.
Southern Lithium is a relatively new company. What are some of the targets and goals that you guys have for the coming year?
Well, really the drill campaign that we're executing at the moment, the objective of that is to ultimately outline a resource. And with that resource, the further objective would be to move it toward pre-feasibility as quickly as we can. And if there's an opportunity to move that project off to somebody else, we'd certainly like to do so. As we say in our business, the fastest path to profits for our investors is through the sale of an asset, not down the long and painful road of production.
Clive, for anyone looking to invest in Southern Lithium, where can they go to find more information?
Well, Tia, the best place to go is probably visit our website. The web address is www.southernlithium.com.
Great. Clive, thank you so much for being here with us today.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.